Respray immediately in the affected areas using your leftover perimeter insecticide and act fast to prevent a larger infestation. When bugs return after a quarterly perimeter spray, treat the visible problem spots right away with the same product following label directions, focusing on windows, door thresholds, foundation cracks, and any obvious entry points. Use a pump sprayer or ready-to-use trigger bottle for precision and avoid over-application. Walk the exterior and interior perimeter with a flashlight at night, if possible, to spot new trails, nests, or entry locations and mark them for targeted treatment. Inspect vents, utility penetrations, weather stripping, and window screens for tears or gaps. And seal with caulking, foam backer rod, or mesh as appropriate, because physical exclusion reduces dependence on chemicals. Rotate application technique between horizontal band sprays at the foundation and spot treatments up on siding and trim to target both crawling and flying insects that stage on vertical surfaces. Keep a small emergency supply of your chosen insecticide and personal protective equipment on hand and store products per label instructions so you can respond within hours rather than days. Document the date, product name, active ingredient, and the locations you resprayed so you can identify patterns and communicate clearly with a professional if the problem persists. Common mistakes include treating only the immediate sighting without searching for the source, which lets insects continue to reproduce. Fix this by tracing trails and inspecting hidden voids like under porches and inside wall cavities, and then treating both harborages and entry points. Another issue is over-reliance on a single treatment type for different pests. So if you find both crawling and flying insects, switch application methods or use a labeled product recommended for the specific pest and life stage you are confronting. People also delay making physical repairs and rely solely on chemicals, and that lets bugs re-enter quickly. Make simple repairs the same day you respray, such as replacing screen patches, sealing cracks with silicone caulk, and tightening door sweeps. Our site, bighomeprojects.com, connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a place to discuss maintenance tactics like pest control, so we can share experiences and quick fixes. We help contractors find work by allowing them to participate in those conversations and showcase services to the community.